as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now, baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze.
So today we're at Quarry Hill Nature Center. We're just going to do a walk around and tell you a couple things about the Nature Center. The Nature Center inside is closed, but all the trails are open, and the paths and the nature area outside of the actual center itself. Pretty much every year since I can remember, this place in the summertime especially is packed every day with kids from local schools and events and classes that they put on out here. So let's go look around. We'll follow some trails, and I have one big surprise. Oops, get us back up here. We came in the front entrance. There's also a back entrance, which to me seems like it should be the front entrance, but the place total is 312 acres. So there's a lot to walk around, a lot of trails, a lot of paths. So we're probably not going to check them all out, but we'll check out a lot. One really interesting part of the Nature Center is this pond.
Let the summer breeze carry us away, baby, to a place where the sun always shines. So to summer lovers, 'cause before you know it, the summer has gone.
All right, so this is just the entrance. We have a long ways to go. I came equipped with backpack, some water, some snacks, plenty of batteries, so buckle in.
Tell me now, is autumn on its way?
So the land we're walking on right now, back in 1860, was a state hospital with a state hospital ran farm, and patients at the state hospital ran the farm.
Where the sun always shines on two lovers. The summer is gone. Let it carry us away, baby. 'Cause before you know it, all the summer has gone.
Even in the winter, you can come out and ski the trails, some of them. Yeah, so just right off of one of the main paved paths is trails and some rock climbing areas. And it's, I mean, you never really come out here and not find at least a few people. Obviously it is really slow right now, but there are still people running around. As we get a little bit deeper, we'll see more interesting, some more interesting stuff. I have one big surprise towards the end, especially today with the gloomy. It's kind of gloomy out, but it gives you that M. Night Shyamalan movie feeling. I'll show you what I mean. All right, yeah, so up there is used to be a rock loading area from the that was the main trail up there before they put in these nice paved paths. Easy to get lost if you're not paying attention, but basically there'll be markers and signs like that one that tells you what path you're on and where it's heading to. A little chilly today, so I did bring a coat. I'm wearing some sweatpants. Should be fine. Oh, as I break my fucking ankle. There are a couple secrets hidden out here at Quarry Hill Nature Center. We will run across at least 2 of them. Leave some comments down below about what you think. Let's go see what's up this path. I haven't been out here for at least 5, maybe 10 years. Hope there's something good at the top of this hill. So it's all about the views. So let's go up here and see what kind of view we got. Well, I am winded. You can easily get lost up here. Well, now would be a good time to ask you guys to like and subscribe my channel in case I never see anybody again. All right, I think I'll take a little break here. Step. Yeah, it's too bad it's kind of gloomy out today, but at least we got out here, get the second video started, and Hopefully have it up soon. Tomorrow I plan on heading to Minneapolis. I don't know what he's squawking about. Oh, he's coming back. I don't think he likes me up here. We still have a couple secrets to show you on the way out. That is downtown Rochester, Mayo Clinic, etc. About 3 miles from the federal prison. Hidden away amongst this nature center and Quarry Hill Park. But I can tell you I will be sore tomorrow. This is the most walking I've done since last summer probably. I can tell you if you're coming out here, I would wear hiking boots. Comfortable hiking boots, not the rough kind. Getting dark and it's getting creepy. The next one, I think you'll like too. Getting a little windy out, still a little rainy. What we're gonna do, I know there's a little trail, kind of hidden, but we'll find it for this next secret. Why would you need razor wire in the middle of a nature center? Kind of a nice area for a picnic. You would probably never guess. I don't think I can get much closer. Don't really think I want to, but this hiking, here's the trail. Oh, here we go. I think I might have stumbled onto something. Well, now it is raining on me. Now I gotta try to find some shelter. All right, so the other secret, which I kind of got scared off, but the other secret to the nature center being on that side of the railroad tracks is the prison behind me. Don't know if I should be filming that guy. Suspicious look. All right. Well, I should probably get out of here before I draw any more attention to myself. Well, that was the Quarry Hill Nature Center. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like, subscribe, tell your friends about it. Help me grow my channel. And we'll see you next time.